Hello, good afternoon. This is Pradeep here. I'm a Merchant Navy officer, and next to me, the sitting is my dad. He is an ex-Navy. He is a retired petty officer from Navy. We have done his knee surgery from the Apollo. Previously, he was having a severe pain on his knees due to the arthritis problem, and for many years, he is going to different kinds of doctors, but we have not got any relief. So my friend of mine suggested me to go to Dr. Vikram Fowde. He is a very experienced and very well-known doctor, which I just came to know from my friend. So I just came here in the month of June, and I just started his treatment. This Vikram Fowde, sir, helped me a lot, and without wasting a single day or single minute, he has advised me everything. And he has helped me a lot, and he has advised me for the kneecap changes. So we have done this replacement of the kneecap, PKR, of the right knee. So I trusted him. My father has done his surgery on the 3rd of July. We are admitted on the 2nd of July. And I want to tell you one thing, that we are very happy and very blessed that we have got such a nice team of doctors, Dr. Vikram Fowde, Dr. Akash, and rest of all the teams are very fabulous. We have started our journey from the reception. In the reception, we have a sir called Narendra sir, there is a Koval ma'am. Everybody from the reception to the ward boy, everybody was fabulous, and they have helped us a lot, and we are very, very happy for him. Now he has been operated on the 3rd of July. 8th of July we have got discharged. So we have got discharged on 8th of July. Now the doctor is so sincere and so well known and so experienced doctor, because he don't want to give any pains to my dad. So he has called me after 1 week. Today we have came here. Today is 17th of July. We have removed all the stitches. We have been removed. Now my father is absolutely fine. He is good. He is fantastic. And thanks to Apollo for all the treatment, all the medical help, and everything done by the Apollo. The nurses are very fabulous. We have been admitted to the ward, 6th floor, E ward, and a special thanks to Apollo and to everybody. For my father, the left knee is also pending. So I'll definitely promising the Apollo that I'll come here only. And apart from my father, my mother is also doing all this treatment for this thing. And the same Dr. Vikram Fowde is treating us. All the viewers who are listening to this, I'm just telling you that please do not, without a hesitation, please come to this Vikram Fowde, because he's a very well human being, a very good surgeon, a very fantastic human being. Without a doubt, a single doubt, please come to here and he will give you all the solutions. Jai Hind.